Hello and welcome to the in-depth series section of Drishti IAS. I'm Aisha, and in today's episode we will be discussing about the Axiom 4 mission. So the Axiom 4 mission will be taking place in collaboration with ISRO and NASA. So it is between two countries, and that is India on the one hand and US on the other hand. And what will happen in this mission is, it is a joint India-US mission to fly two Gaganyatris to the ISS. ISS stands for International Space Station. Now, International Space Station is a space station which is present in the space, and this is formed because of the participation of many countries, like for example, that is US, NASA, Russia, Roscosmos, Japan, and then comes Canada and the European Space Agency. Now, two of the Gaganyatris, when we use the term Gaganyatris, what strikes to our mind is the Gaganyaan mission of India. So, the Gaganyaan mission of India, as it was scheduled to take place in the year 2024, but it will be extended to the next year also, that is 2025. So, in the Gaganyaan mission, as it is India's space agency, ISRO's manned mission. When we say manned mission, it means that the astronauts will be going into the space. So that is basically the lower Earth orbit. So what happens is that in the Gaganyaan mission, there are 4 Gaganyatris selected. In total, 4 Gaganyatris selected. It means these 4 people are the pilots of the Indian Air Force, and they are the people who are selected to go on board. And out of these 4 Gaganyatris, 2 Gaganyatris have been selected for the Axiom 4 mission, and that is between India and US. So we will basically be understanding about the Axiom 4 mission. So let us first understand the timeline. So what we will be looking is, first of all, about the news, then about the new mission, and that is the Axiom 4 mission, then about India's crew, what are the parameters of the mission, and in the end, prelims practice question. Topic is of relevance from General Studies paper 3, that is Science and Technology, specifically with regard to space missions. And before we move forward, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So the news talks about the joint India-US mission to fly 2 Gaganyatris to the ISS. Now, according to the ISRO, 2 of the astronauts selected for its maiden human spaceflight mission, Gaganyaan, will travel to the US in the first week of August. And the aim would be to train there for a mission to the International Space Station. Now, what is happening is, see, there is a mission called Gaganyaan, which is a manned mission of India. 2024-25 is the date, and there are 4 astronauts selected for this, and out of these 4 astronauts, 2 will be going for a mission to the United States of America. They will be training there, and this mission is for the target is ISS, that is the International Space Station. And out of these 4 astronauts which are selected for the Gaganyaan mission, out of these 4, 2 will be going to the US under the Axiom 4 mission to train for a mission to the ISS, and this will be taking place. The Axiom 4 mission will be happening or will be taking place before the Gaganyaan mission. So that in short will work as a pre-test for the astronauts or for the space pilots before the real test, that is the Gaganyaan. So this will work as a preparation for the astronauts. So the people who are selected for going into the Axiom mission, that is the Wing Commander Shubhanshu Shukla and then Group Captain Prashant Nair. So these 2 are selected. Now about the new mission, and the name of the mission is Axiom 4 mission, and it is a joint effort to the International Space Station, and the time period is 2024, that is the later half of the 2024. 2 astronauts or Gaganyatris are Indian participants for this mission. On one side there is NASA, and on the other side there is ISRO. Then according to the ISRO, during this mission the Gaganyatri will undertake selected scientific research and technology demonstrations. So research and technology demonstrations will be done, and apart from research and technology demonstrations, what else the astronauts will be doing is they will be engaging in the space outreach activity. So space outreach activity and science and technology demonstration, or scientific research and technology demonstration, this is what the Gaganyatris will be doing. Then the experiences gained during this mission will be beneficial for Gaganyaan? It will be beneficial for Gaganyaan. First of all, it will be happening before the Gaganyaan. Then two of the Indian astronauts will be getting the first-hand experience of going into the space before the Gaganyaan mission. So they will be more adapting to the situation. Then it will also strengthen human space flight cooperation between ISRO and NASA. So ISRO is the space agency of India, while NASA is the space agency of US. So it will be a joint collaboration between both of it. So it means that the relations between ISRO and NASA will also develop and strengthen. Now about India's crew. First of all, about the 4 astronauts or the Indian Air Force pilots who have been selected for the Gaganyaan mission, that is Group Captain Ajit Krishnan and Angad Pratap, Wing Commander Shubhanshu Shukla and Group Captain Prashant Nair. So these are 4 people selected for the Gaganyaan mission, and out of these 4, Shubhanshu Shukla and Prashant Nair is also selected for the EXIM-4 mission. Then all 4 are test pilots with the Indian Air Force, and they are undergoing training in India and Russia. So for the training part, they have done training in India and then they have done training in Russia, and now Prashant Nair and Shubhanshu Shukla will be traveling to the US for further training for the EXIM-4 mission, which will be helpful in the upcoming Gaganyaan mission. Then NASA will provide Mr. Shukla and Mr. Nair advanced training. So this advanced training will be helpful for them for their upcoming projects. Now mission parameters. So what are the parameters of the EXIM-4 mission? First, Human Spaceflight Center has signed an agreement with the EXIM Space. Now Human Spaceflight Center has signed an agreement with the EXIM Space, and EXIM Space is a private body which works into the space missions. Then the mission, which is also called the AX-4. Then EXIM plans to operate the world's first commercial space station. So they are planning to operate the world's first commercial space station, and that is why their first flight will be to the ISS. Then the Human Spaceflight Services, as part of which it selects and trains astronauts, candidates, charters, launch vehicles, and plans and manages space missions. So the spaceflight services, what all will be done under it would be they first select the astronaut, then they train the astronaut, and then the launch vehicle is also provided, and then the space mission will be planned and managed. Now this is what the everything in the whole is done. Then the SpaceX will provide the launch vehicle for the mission, and its Crew Dragon capsule will house the crew. So the launch vehicle is provided by which company? That is the SpaceX, and where the crew members will be sitting is the Dragon capsule. So the name of the capsule where the crew members will be sitting is the Dragon capsule, and the company which will be providing the launch vehicle is the SpaceX. Who's the owner of the SpaceX? Very famous person, also the owner of the X, which was formerly called Twitter, one of the richest people on this planet. So tell me in the comment box who's the owner of the SpaceX. And then according to the NASA, the mission will last for 14 days. See, now this was about everything about the mission. In the end, what becomes important on the whole to know is name of the mission, that is EXIM-4. First thing. Second is it is taking place between India and US. Target space where they will be going is ISS, International Space Stations. Launch vehicle is provided by SpaceX. And then the place or the capsule where the astronauts will be sitting is Dragon capsule, and the life of the mission is 14 days. These are few of the important things, because in the end the questions can be asked from these things. And out of 4 astronauts, how many are selected for this mission? So that is 2 astronauts. Now in the end, a prelims MCQ, and you people need to tell me the answer in the comment section. The EXIM-4 mission is associated with which of the following countries? So that is India, US, Europe, India, Japan, India, Russia. Very easy question and a very basic question. So give me the answer in the comment section. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time. Keep reading, keep writing, and keep subscribing to the channel. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.